So what we're going to be doing is setting up the overall scope of how Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp really work. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want you to do is we're going to set up the Facebook page. So we go over to facebook.com. On the left, you're going to look right under your name. Now you may have to click see more. You see here, I want you to easily go over to pages. And what you're going to do is create a new page. You're not going to have these pages here because I am a marketing agency. I control all these. So what you're going to do is just click create new page. Now you need to go through every single thing. Page name, category. So you just start typing in here. So you might say just retail. See like a retail bank, or let's just say, for instance, you're a plumber. Start typing until something comes up that, is right up your alley. So you may need to try to go very narrow. So like I just did plumber, then you may need to reverse engineer to services if you don't find exactly what you are. Okay. So most of the time they have everything. And then you're going to go page name. Now I highly recommend that you get the website. Let's say, for instance, you're going to name this. You need to make sure the .com is available. And I always say .com because people always think .com, especially in the United States. So we want everything to revolve around that domain. And the domain, just another tip, no more than 3 syllables. It should be spelled correctly in the English language and easy for them to remember. So try like Will Express, or like where Will Elite, one of my clients, or Center Cat, something where it's easy for what you're selling to easy to remember. Okay, so continuing on here, click this. You need to get the page the background image, and then the profile image as well. Now, I highly recommend that you use a picture of yourself or the profile name, because nowadays a brand is really a person behind that brand. Okay, you want to fill out as much information as you can, and once you fill it out, you're going to be looking very similar to this. We'll go over. Okay, so now you'll see here, you'll have the background image here. You'll have this little logo, even though I just kind of like contradict myself because this is an old client of ours, the Houston Heights neighborhood. So we don't really have a name there. Anyway, so try to put a couple of posts in there. Now, if you have a couple of posts, just go to ChatGPT and create some posts, no problem, okay? Now that we have the Facebook page created, you filled out all the information, you have the background picture up, you have the logo picture up, you maybe created 1 or 2 posts, I hope. Now what we're gonna do is connect it over to Instagram. So I want you to go over here to settings. You see it right here? Click settings. Now we're gonna go over to linked accounts. Linked accounts. Just we gotta link an account. So it's gonna say, hey, you're gonna have to create that Instagram account to a professional account, because now we know you are a business, not a professional. I mean, let's say here, let's go connect account. Facebook, connect. Now we go here, confirm. It should ask you what page you want to connect to. You want to do a switch account. I manage a lot of people, so hold on one second. Houston Heights, log in as Houston Heights. You want to have this because you don't have a bunch of Instagram accounts. Now it's gonna say what best describes you. You're gonna say business. It's here, click next. What's your together category? So try to find out which is best for you. Personal blog, product or service, whatever. It used to be community here, but I don't see it anymore. So anyway, select whatever's best for you. Show contact information on profile, email. So Alan we'll put the company info@homesofheights.com. And of course, I'm traveling right now, so let's try in the right country, United States. You can get called too if you want to. Oh God. Okay, so I just click done because put my information up and done, because I need to get this thing done for you guys. You have your Facebook page and your Instagram connected. Now we're gonna be talking about running ads on both platforms, but in the next video we're talking about WhatsApp. So hold tight. Let's get Instagram connected. Woohoo! All done. Connected. The next thing we're gonna be doing is getting the WhatsApp phone number. So remember, all these things are running are connected. It's very, very important because we can do what we call remarketing in the future. We'll be talking about that in the next class. Remarketing is where, just like when you're driving down the street and you see a billboard of Burger King, and then you hear it on the phone, you hear it on the radio, then you see it on your telephone. You're like, fine, I'll get a burger. Well, that's remarketing. Now we don't have all the billions or millions of dollars that Burger King has, but we can keep targeting that audience, just keep seeing our ad over and over. And the reason why is because it takes, on average, a marketing rule of thumb is 7 times for them to actually start building a subliminal psychological branding happens in their head. It doesn't like, oh, it's set in my brain. No, what happens, it's all psychological on a subconscious level. They start becoming aware of you, which is called the brand awareness. The first level of the sales funnel we'll be talking. So we talked a lot about setting up the Facebook page, the overall process of what we're going to be doing in the Facebook ad. I'm gonna shut this video down so we can move to step 2, which we're going to be talking about the WhatsApp. So we got the Facebook and we got the Instagram both created and linked together. And now we have one more thing to tie in, which is the WhatsApp. And then after that, we're going to be moving over to the business ad manager. So we got a lot to cover, but I want to break it out in sections so that you guys don't get overwhelmed. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Do me a big favor. Hit that thumbs up if you like this type of video. Educational, giving you valuable information that really they pay me to do, but I'm giving it to you 1000% free. By the way, check me out at firewireads.com for all your marketing services. So we can do it for you. If you don't want to do any of this Facebook, Instagram, TikTok type of ads, we can do it all for you. See you guys on the next one. Over.